Hello, in this video, we will learn how to easily delete your Instagram account. Therefore, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to receive updates. Let's begin. First, open the Instagram application. Click on the profile icon. Now, tap on the menu icon. Then, press on the settings. Click on the account center. Personal details. Ownership and control. Select disable or delete. Here you will see a page that tells you to choose the account you want to delete. You can choose any account, whether it's an Instagram account or a Facebook account. However, since today's tutorial is dedicated to Instagram accounts, I will choose an Instagram account. Now we have reached the most important point in deletion. We have two options. The first option is to disable the account, which allows you to hide the account without deleting it. You can retrieve it anytime by logging in. If you choose to delete the account, you only have 30 days to recover it. If you don't log in within 30 days, it will be permanently deleted, and you won't be able to recover it. Now, I will choose the second option to delete my account. Enter your Instagram account password to confirm that you are the account owner, and click on Continue. Here you can choose any option and click on Continue. Continue. Now click on Delete Account. After choosing to delete, your account will no longer be visible, and you need to wait for 30 days without logging in to permanently delete it, as I mentioned earlier. Also, all your photos, videos, and activities related to your account will be deleted. Finally, if you like the video, support our channel by liking and subscribing to receive updates on our videos. Thank you, see you later.